is what I call a nice drive.
It is a nice drive, isn't it, yeah?
It's beautiful.
I have been here, but when I was about 43.
Okay. So that was what, 20 years ago?
I got some good pictures of some deer and stuff.
He doesn't want me to tell you his age.
Yeah, it's a nice little place, I remember.
You've been in the sun, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been in the sun.
Wow. Would you like this as your garden, Dad?
No. Too much work.
Yeah, that's a fair point. What a beautiful building on the grounds of the formal garden here at Powis Castle. It's called the Bothy. A 3-bedroom holiday cottage. Wow, so you can actually rent this place and stay on the grounds of Powis Castle. What a beautiful getaway and retreat. I'll pop the number in for you guys. If anybody watching in the UK or even overseas fancies a traditional English stay in the countryside on the grounds of a 13th century medieval castle. What a great little holiday. If anyone has been here or plans to come here, please let me know in the comments, because I would love to know what it's like to stay in such a grand place like this. What's the price, do you reckon? Leave a comment below. I'm going to hazard a guess that per week to hire out this 3-bedroom cottage on the grounds of Powis Castle, I'm going to say £5 a week. That's my guess. Yeah, £5 a week. I don't think I'll be far off. That's what I love to see this time of year. All the colours of the flowers now in bloom. It just adds so much to a woodland walk.
It's absolutely beautiful.
It is, isn't it?
Beautiful.
What flowers are they, Dad?
All the colours, all
What flowers are they?
red ones and pink ones.
Okay.
That's a swimming pool.
It's got to be, hasn't
It's
it?
an old swimming pool, look at that.
Like an old bath.
Hang on, I'll tell you what it is. It's called the plunge pool.
Wow.
1770. Cold water.
Don't know how I'd fancy that, but it does look nice. Imagine a hot day, that'd be quite nice.
I'm in India. Wow.
And if you look here, you can actually see where the pipes would fill it up.
Beneficial for your health, cold water.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see that, yeah.
Pipes and stuff.
Come and say hello. Come on, come and say Oh, wow. I've never touched a peacock feather. Now I have. Hey, aren't you beautiful? Come here. Come here. Whoop. Come here. Come here.
Did you just bark at a peacock?
Yeah.
What the hell is he doing? Into the castle we go. So this is the entrance, the foyer to the castle. Wow, absolutely incredible. Some of the paintings on the wall are unbelievable. I'm going to have to go through this relatively quickish because we've got a queue of people behind us. It's very dark in here as well, and I read online that the reason why they keep it so dark is to preserve these paintings for as long as possible, because exposed light can deteriorate them over time. So I apologise about it being quite dark, but at least you get to see these magnificent paintings. All original.
Yeah.
This is the dining room. What a grand room. Yeah. It's incredible, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, yes.
The attention to detail is incredible.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? Secret door.
Wow.
And they close in the library.
That is a secret door.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
So that would have been like an escape hatch possibly down the stairs. Wow. I've never seen a secret door in real life.
Yeah. Well, that closes, you see, when you're in here.
It's part of the library.
Yeah.
Isn't that incredible? Little secret door in the corner.
There's a pistol in that book.
Oh wow, look at the ceiling, Dad. What an incredible room.
It looks like royalty, doesn't it? Looks
It
like royalty.
really does, yeah.
Look at the chairs and the furniture and stuff. Incredible.
Yes, yes, they were embroidered.
Yeah. It's very, very
One feature that really sticks out to me walking around these rooms is the detail on the ceiling. In modern day buildings, it's normally a forgotten feature, but here it's absolutely breathtaking, even with the mask on.
Look at that.
Oh, wow. What an incredible hallway.
I know.
Look at this view.
Oh, Brandon, look at this.
What's that?
Look in there. It's a bedroom. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that incredible?
You see, walking around here, if it wasn't COVID times, and we didn't have to somewhat kind of rush ourselves through, you could quite happily spend a few hours here just looking around at all the intricate details.
Look, all the coat of arms all across the top there, coat of arms.
It's brilliant.
And the busts of everything. And
Yeah. Thank you for joining me, Dan, for another
All right
video.
then.
It's been
Okay.
nice to have you back on screen.
Yep.
And I'll see you guys next time.